Japanese people drink this every morning, and it's one of the reasons why many of them stay slim around the waist, even after 50. In this video, I'll be sharing 2 natural detox recipes that may help cleanse the body, support digestion, purify the liver, and promote glowing skin. They're simple, safe, and easy to make at home, helping you feel lighter, look fresher, and start each morning with renewed energy. Now, let's begin with the first recipe. Our first ingredient is fresh lemon, a small fruit packed with powerful benefits for both your body and your skin. Squeeze out the lemon juice. It's rich in vitamin C and natural citric acid, which may help support detoxification, boost metabolism, and improve the body's ability to absorb iron. In ancient Egypt, people believed lemon water helped cleanse the body and protect it from illness. In Eastern medicine, lemon is seen as a symbol of balance. It helps cool the liver, stimulate digestion, and support the body's natural cleansing process each day. And don't throw away the peel. Cut it into small pieces and make use of it. The peel is packed with essential oils, flavonoids, and powerful antioxidants that may help support liver function, aid digestion, and promote healthy, radiant skin from within. Place the chopped lemon peel into a clean pot. A small lemon may look simple, but it's truly a little treasure for your natural health every day. Next, we have celery, a familiar kitchen vegetable that holds an impressive range of health benefits. For this recipe, use the leafy tops cut off about half of the bunch to use here. Don't put the rest away just yet. We'll save it for the second recipe, a wonderful way to make the most of this nutrient-rich vegetable. Celery is rich in fiber, vitamin K, vitamin C, and potassium, which may help support the body's natural cleansing process, maintain healthy blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and promote liver and kidney health. Thanks to its mild diuretic properties, celery can help the body release excess water and toxins, supporting liver and kidney function, while helping to keep the blood vessels clear and healthy. Now add the celery to the pot with the lemon peel. And pour in about 1/4 cups, 300 ml of water. Place it on the stove and let it simmer gently over low heat for about 10 minutes. As it simmers, the essential oils from the lemon peel and the nutrients from the celery will blend, creating a light, refreshing aroma that feels soothing and pleasant. After about 10 minutes, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool to room temperature. Strain it through a fine mesh sieve and keep the clear liquid. This is your gentle detox infusion, a light, refreshing drink that may help support circulation, cool the liver, and naturally assist the body's cleansing process. You'll notice the pleasant aroma of lemon blending beautifully with the fresh scent of celery, soothing and relaxing to the senses. Now, let's move on to 2 very familiar kitchen ingredients, apple and cucumber. This refreshing pair is perfect for supporting healthy digestion, cooling the body, and naturally helping with gentle weight balance. Grate the cucumber into fine pieces. Cucumber is made up of more than 90% water, which helps the body stay hydrated. flush out excess salt in water and reduce puffiness or bloating, especially helpful for those who tend to retain water. With its naturally cool and refreshing flavor, cucumber pairs beautifully with apple to create a light, pleasant drink that not only tastes delicious, but also supports smooth and comfortable digestion. Next comes the apple. You'll only need half of one for this recipe. Start by grating it finely. Apples are wonderful for overall health and especially helpful for those who want to maintain a balanced weight or stable blood sugar levels. They're rich in pectin and soluble fiber, which helps slow down sugar absorption, support steady blood sugar levels, and naturally reduce cravings, leaving you feeling light, comfortable, and satisfied for longer. Now strain the cucumber and apple mixture through a fine mesh or clean cloth to separate the juice. The liquid you collect is the heart of this recipe. It holds all the natural vitamins, minerals, and enzymes from the fresh ingredients. This is the most nourishing part, helping your body feel refreshed, balanced, and energized every day. Now we have the two most nourishing juices ready. Pour them both into a clean glass bowl. As the two liquids blend together, their natural compounds combine and complement each other, creating a refreshing mixture that may help support metabolism and encourage gentle fat-burning activity. To complete the recipe, add about 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and the celery lemon peel infusion we prepared earlier. This will bring everything together into one beautifully balanced, revitalizing drink. Have you ever tried using celery this way? Share your experience in the comments below. Your little tip might inspire others to stay healthy and feel beautiful every day. After adding all the ingredients, stir well until everything is completely blended. You now have a refreshing detox drink that may help cleanse the body, boost energy, and promote naturally glowing skin. Enjoy 1 glass after breakfast each morning when your body's metabolism is just getting started. This simple recipe can help support fat metabolism, aid digestion, and gently flush out toxins, leaving you feeling light, refreshed, and energized all day long. Just 1 small glass each morning, a simple, natural way to start your day, feeling healthy and radiant. Now, let's move on to the second recipe, a natural green smoothie that's both delicious and energizing, perfect for your morning routine. You'll need the remaining half of the celery, half an apple, 1 medium-ripe banana, and a small handful of parsley. When combined, these ingredients create a powerful natural blend that may help cleanse the body, support digestion, and promote gentle, healthy weight balance. Cut all the ingredients into small pieces to make them easier to blend. Here comes celery again, often called the guardian of the digestive system. It's a low-calorie vegetable rich in fiber and essential minerals that may help curb cravings, support healthy digestion, and encourage better fat metabolism naturally. Next is apple, which adds a gentle, natural sweetness to your smoothie. Apples are high in soluble fiber, helping to keep blood sugar levels steady, sustain energy throughout the day, and prevent hunger from returning too quickly. And banana is the heart of this recipe. Packed with potassium, it helps balance fluids in the body, ease bloating, and reduce puffiness. Bananas also provide a lasting feeling of fullness, helping you stay satisfied and avoid unnecessary snacking between meals. Next comes parsley, the final green companion, small but incredibly powerful. This herb is rich in iron, vitamin C, and antioxidants, which may help boost metabolism, support healthy liver and kidney function, and assist the body in naturally eliminating toxins. Once all the ingredients are ready, place them in a blender. Add about 1 cups, 300 mils of water, and blend until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. Does anyone in your family enjoy natural smoothie recipes like this? Tag someone you think would love it, and let's spread the joy of healthy green living together. You'll end up with a refreshing green smoothie where the mild aroma of celery blends beautifully with the natural sweetness of fresh fruits. A drink that's delicious, cleansing, and full of life. Enjoy one glass in the morning as a light meal replacement, especially right after waking up or following a day of heavy eating. This smoothie helps provide natural energy, supports healthy digestion, gently cleanses the liver, and boosts your body's natural metabolism. With regular use, you may start to feel lighter, notice smoother, brighter skin, and enjoy a clearer, more refreshed mind. Try this green smoothie tomorrow morning and feel the difference for yourself. Store it in the refrigerator to keep it fresh. It stays good for up to 3 days, maintaining its natural flavor, freshness, and nutrients. This is a natural gift your body truly deserves every day, not only supporting healthy weight balance, but also promoting overall wellness, vitality, and a youthful glow from within. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice.